Surah, number 50, of Quran Majeed. Qaf.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
قاف والقرآن المجيد.
Qaf. By the glorious Quran.
بل عجبوا أن جاءهم منذر منهم فقال الكافرون هذا شيء عجيب.
Indeed, they consider it odd that a warner from among themselves should have come to them. So the faithless say, this is an odd thing.
أَإِذَا مِتْنَا وَكُنَّا تُرَابًا ذَلِكَ رَجْعٌ بَعِيدٌ.
What? When we are dead and have become dust, shall we be raised again? That is a far-fetched return.
قَدْ عَلِمْنَا مَا تَنقُصُ الْأَرْضُ مِنْهُمْ وَعِندَنَا كِتَابٌ حَفِيظٌ.
We know what the earth diminishes from them, and with us is a preserving book.
بَلْ كَذَّبُوا بِالْحَقِّ لَمَّا جَاءَهُمْ فَهُمْ فِي أَمْرٍ مَّرِيجٍ.
Indeed, they denied the truth when it came to them, so they are now in a perplexed state of affairs.
أَفَلَمْ يَنظُرُوا إِلَى السَّمَاءِ فَوْقَهُمْ كَيْفَ بَنَيْنَاهَا وَزَيَّنَّاهَا وَمَا لَهَا مِن فُرُوجٍ.
Have they not, then, observed the heaven above them, how we have built it and adorned it, and that there are no cracks in it?
وَالْأَرْضَ مَدَدْنَاهَا وَأَلْقَيْنَا فِيهَا رَوَاسِيَ وَأَنبَتْنَا فِيهَا مِن كُلِّ زَوْجٍ بَهِيجٍ.
And we spread out the earth, and cast in it firm mountains, and caused every delightful kind of vegetation to grow in it.
تَبْصِرَةً وَذِكْرَى لِكُلِّ عَبْدٍ مُنِيبٍ.
In this there is an insight and admonition for every penitent servant.
وَنَزَّلْنَا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً مُبَارَكًا فَأَنبَتْنَا بِهِ جَنَّاتٍ وَحَبَّ الْحَصِيدِ.
We sent down from the sky salubrious water, with which we grow gardens and the grain which is harvested.
وَالنَّخْلَ بَاسِقَاتٍ لَهَا طَلْعٌ نَضِيدٌ.
And tall date palms with regularly set spathes.
رِزْقًا لِلْعِبَادِ وَأَحْيَيْنَا بِهِ بَلْدَةً مَيْتًا كَذَلِكَ الْخُرُوجُ.
As a provision for our servants, and with it we revive a dead country. Likewise will be the rising from the dead.
كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح وأصحاب الرس وثمود.
The people of Noah denied before them, and so did the people of Ras and Tamud.
وعاد وفرعون وإخوان لوط.
And Ad, Pharaoh, and the brethren of Lut.
وأصحاب الأيكة وقوم تبع كل كذب الرسل فحق وعيد.
And the inhabitants of Acre and the people of Tuba, each of them, impugned the apostles, And so my threat became due against them.
أفعينا بالخلق الأول بل هم في لبس من خلق جديد.
Have we been exhausted by the first creation? No, they are in doubt about a new creation.
وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ وَنَعْلَمُ مَا تُوَسْوِسُ بِهِ نَفْسُهُ وَنَحْنُ أَقْرَبُ إِلَيْهِ مِنْ حَبْلِ الْوَرِيدِ.
Certainly we have created man, and we know to what his soul tempts him, and we are nearer to him than his jugular vein.
إِذْ يَتَلَقَّى الْمُتَلَقِّيَانِ عَنِ الْيَمِينِ وَعَنِ الشِّمَالِ قَعِيدٌ.
When the twin recorders record his deeds, seated on the right hand and on the left.
مَا يَلْفِظُ مِنْ قَوْلٍ إِلَّا لَدَيْهِ رَقِيبٌ عَتِيدٌ.
He says no word but that there is a ready observer beside him.
وَجَاءَتْ سَكْرَةُ الْمَوْتِ بِالْحَقِّ ذَلِكَ مَا كُنْتَ مِنْهُ تَحِيدُ.
The throes of death bring the truth. This is what you used to shun.
وَنُفِخَ فِي الصُّورِ ذَلِكَ يَوْمُ الْوَعِيدِ.
And the trumpet will be blown. This is the promised day.
وَجَاءَتْ كُلُّ نَفْسٍ مَّعَهَا سَائِقٌ وَشَهِيدٌ.
Every soul will come accompanied by 2 angels, a driver, and a witness.
لَقَدْ كُنْتَ فِي غَفْلَةٍ مِّنْ هَذَا فَكَشَفْنَا عَنْكَ غِطَاءَكَ فَبَصَرُكَ الْيَوْمَ حَدِيدٌ.
He will be told, you were certainly oblivious of this. We have removed your veil from you, and so today your eyesight is acute.
وَقَالَ قَرِينُهُ هَذَا مَا لَدَيَّ عَتِيدٌ.
Then his companion, angel, will say, this is what is ready with me, of his record of deeds.
أَلْقِيَا فِي جَهَنَّمَ كُلَّ كَفَّارٍ عَنِيدٍ.
The 2 angels accompany him will be told, cast every obdurate ingrate into hell.
مَنَّاعٍ لِلْخَيْرِ مُعْتَدٍ مُرِيبٍ.
Every hinderer of good, transgressor, and skeptic.
الَّذِي جَعَلَ مَعَ اللَّهِ إِلَٰهًا آخَرَ فَأَلْقِيَاهُ فِي الْعَذَابِ الشَّدِيدِ.
Who had set up another god along with Allah, and cast him into the severe punishment.
قَالَ قَرِينُهُ رَبَّنَا مَا أَطْغَيْتُهُ وَلَكِنْ كَانَ فِي ضَلَالٍ بَعِيدٍ.
His companion, devil, will say, Our Lord, I did not incite him to rebel against you, but he was, himself, in extreme error.
قَالَ لَا تَخْتَصِمُوا لَدَيَّ وَقَدْ قَدَّمْتُ إِلَيْكُمْ بِالْوَعِيدِ.
He will say, Do not wrangle in my presence, for I had already warned you in advance.
مَا يُبَدَّلُ الْقَوْلُ لَدَيَّ وَمَا أَنَا بِظَلَّامٍ لِلْعَبِيدِ.
The word of judgment is unalterable with me, and I am not tyrannical to my servants.
يَوْمَ نَقُولُ لِجَهَنَّمَ هَلِ امْتَلَأْتِ فتقول هل من مزيد.
The day when we shall say to hell, are you full? It will say, is there any more?
وأزلفت الجنة للمتقين غير بعيد.
And paradise will be brought near for the God-weary, it will not be distant anymore.
هذا ما توعدون لكل أواب حفيظ.
This is what you were promised. It is for every penitent and dutiful servant.
من خشي الرحمن بالغيب وجاء بقلب منيب.
Who fears the All-Beneficent in secret and comes with a penitent heart.
ادخلوها بسلام ذلك يوم الخلود.
Enter it in peace. This is the day of immortality.
لهم ما يشاءون فيها ولدينا مزيد.
That they will have whatever they wish, and with us there is yet more.
وكم أهلكنا قبلهم من قرن هم أشد منهم بطشا فنقبوا في البلاد هل من محيص.
How many generations we have destroyed before them, who were stronger than these, insomuch that they ransacked the towns. So, is there any escape from Allah's punishment?
إن في ذلك لذكرى لمن كان له قلب أو ألقى السمع وهو شهيد.
There is indeed an admonition in that for one who has a heart, or gives ear, being attentive.
وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَمَا بَيْنَهُمَا فِي 6 أَيَّامٍ وَمَا مَسَّنَا مِن لُغُوبٍ.
Certainly we created the heavens and the earth, and whatever is between them, in 6 days, and any fatigue did not touch us.
فاصبر على ما يقولون وسبح بحمد ربك قبل طلوع الشمس وقبل الغروب.
So be patient at what they say, and celebrate the praise of your Lord before the rising of the sun and before the sunset.
ومن الليل فسبحه وأدبار السجود.
And glorify him through part of the night and after the prostrations.
واستمع يوم ينادي المناد من مكان قريب.
And be on the alert for the day when the caller calls from a close quarter.
يوم يسمعون الصيحة بالحق ذلك يوم الخروج.
The day when they hear the cry in all truth. That is the day of rising from the dead.
إنا نحن نحيي ونميت وإلينا المصير.
Indeed it is we who give life and bring death, and toward us is their final destination.
يوم تشقق الأرض عنهم سراعا ذلك حشر علينا يسير.
The day the earth is split open for disinterring them, they will come out, hastening. That mustering is easy for us to carry out.
نحن أعلم بما يقولون وما أنت عليهم بجبار فذكر بالقرآن من يخاف وعيد.
We know well what they say, and you are not there to compel them. So admonish by the Quran those who fear my threat.